Do you want to host your website for free? Hey guys, how are you? I'm back with a tutorial on hosting website for free. This is very simple trick. You just have to open your Google Drive. I recommend you to use fake Google account for hosting website through Google Drive. Why am I recommending this? I will tell you in video when we host our website. After opening Google Drive, create a folder and name this folder with your website name, as I am giving www.ytsetup.com name to my folder. Now open this folder and upload all your scripted files. The website, and I am uploading this website's all scripted files. Uploading will take some time as it will depend on your file size and on your internet speed. So we will wait for upload completion. Yeah, so now uploading is complete. Now we have to make this folder public. For that, you have to right click on the folder and then click on the share option, and then on the advanced, and then click to change. Then click on public view and then make it rigid by selecting this option, so that no one can change your file settings and can code, as it makes them secure. Yeah. Also click on the checkbox to make it more secure, then save it and then click on the done. Now our drive work is complete. Now we have to go on website drive to web. So for that, search for drv.dw and you will see two options, Google Drive and OneDrive. For now, we have to choose Google Drive. And if you are thinking for OneDrive, previous steps are same, only you have to choose OneDrive if you have uploaded your website folders on your OneDrive. So here, now you have to choose your account on which you had created folder and uploaded website contents. Now you see a screen which is asking for permissions to read and change your account file settings. So only for this privacy I recommended to use fake account so that this site can't read your real private folders. Now click on allow. Then the site will find your website name folder automatically. And now this is a link of your website. You can click and see your website. First uploading refresh will take some time. So now your wait is over, you are watching our website loading, and now you can see that it is YT setup, our website name. This website is designed for photography, tours and travel agency. If you would like to have this website source code, just tell us in comments and like the video, and we will put the website link in description and in our Instagram bio.